Okay. My resin was at 91.2 degrees when I decanted my white. So I poured 30 grams in this cup for my white, and then I added my white. Mix your white up really good. I'm using Casting Craft. 3 drops, 30 grams. Scrape your stick and then put it back in there again and make sure it's mixed really well. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put my resin in. I'm using Bond Craftor. It's an amazing resin. It's probably my new favorite resin for making blooms for sure. Because the ones I've done have been gorgeous. All right, that's that. Always make sure you have alcohol handy, and paper towels, so you can keep your hands from becoming too sticky. Let's get these bubbles out of here, because I see some. I put it in my vacuum chamber for probably 5 minutes. Check your sides for bubbles. I think that's good. Okay. This is the mold from Julie Cuts, Pouring Your Heart Out. This is just one I got from Amazon. Okay, let's get some colors in real quick. Oh, I wanted to do these stones. Try to get it in the, whoopsie. I say try to get it in the middle, and then I go and do that. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna leave that like that before I get them everywhere, and I don't think that's, I think it needs to come this way a little too. Okay, I'm leaving it like that. I'm just putting red right here. You're wondering why. Yeah, me too. I just do it. I kind of want this to be a more yellow bloom. I had done a yellow one not long ago, and I loved it so much. This is the medium yellow by Let's Resin. No, sorry, dandelion yellow. This is medium yellow by Let's Resin. And here's a lemon by Decorom. My probably favorite yellow. Should I add in a green? Yes, yellow and blue make green, so I guess I could put in a blue. All right. Right there. Over here, I'm gonna do just whatever colors I throw in. This is the navy by Decorom. Blueberry. Now let's do a Laguna by Ranger. Oops. Oh my gosh. I squeezed that right out of there. Oh, Amy. Why? And this is Monsoon. I mean, you can't tell because it's pretty bad. Oh, I'm already concerned about these colors. Yikes. That's okay. Get my white in here. let's blow off the alcohol fumes. Torch it one more time. Because if you don't, you'll probably go up in flames. Just saying. We're gonna cut the end of this off. Whoa, that might be a little too big. I'll test it over here and see. Well, usually if the lines are too big, I'll just go ahead and put it in another piping bag before I ruin a bloom, you know what I mean? Use a toothpick, curve around any blobs you got going on. I like to pull them in. And as you can tell, the lines I made, you know, were the ones around the outside. So I'll pull them all in a little while. But I need to get this done, and then I need to hurry and start on my other one. Okay. Hopefully I'll have more control since it's a little emptier. And that was my plan, so let's see, I'm gonna ooh, it's hard to do this upside down. Whoa. Oh my gosh, hold on. Okay, now that let's go ahead and curve these around. Okay, now I want to hurry and try to add some dots if I can. Oh my gosh. I'm so shady. No, I'm not doing that on purpose. I'm sorry. Goodness. I will definitely fast forward through this part because I'm slow. My room temperature is 70.70 degrees Fahrenheit and 21.6 degrees Celsius. Where have I not got them? Right here. Okay, is that good? Okay, now, since I don't know, let me get my hands cleaned off. I don't want the white blobbing up in the middle. And I saw Julie Cutts do this, so I kind of adopted doing it too. And that is getting the white and sucking it in a little bit. What she usually does it to pull her blooms inwards. I am doing it to get the white out so it don't blob. And she might too. I have no idea. I can't watch every single video I see. But she does have amazing ones. There's so many amazing resin artists. I mean, you can't watch them all. I mean, you could try. I try to watch as many as I can. You know, I have a lot of good friends that do resin, and you know, I love watching their stuff. Okay, now here, I'm pulling down to where I did the, you know, when I quit doing the single lines, I'm only pulling down to there. Torch your bubbles, because I made a bunch doing that. Looking good. Plus some little stones I put in are bubble makers. Nice. I will put a black back on this probably. And I don't know if I'll video that or not. I might just go straight to the reveal. So, awesome, guys. I will see you soon. I was worried about this one. If you wondered why there's a swirl, I actually came back to check on it. And it wasn't really pulling together in the middle, so I went ahead and swirled it. It could have bloomed on its own, but I didn't want it not to, so it's still very beautiful. I love how it turned out. It's gorgeous. Now on to this one. Nice, guys. All right, well, I thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't hit subscribe yet, please do, and please hit the like button. I appreciate it very much, especially if you like this video. I'm getting ready to post some pictures, so I hope you guys all have an amazing day. See ya.